In this video we are talking about if Cardano can continue his bullish momentum to the upside or if we see a move to lower levels again. As you can see on the weekly chart, we are now seeing this crazy bullish candle from Cardano. And in the last video we were in this range right here and in this supply zone. And I said the chance is very high that we can continue the bullish momentum to the upside. And if we are breaking this range to the upside, that we then see an explosion for Cardano. I will show you now the clip from the last video. And right now we are in this range with the range high and the range low. And now it's very important that we are going to the upside and breaking this range high with the daily or weekly body close. Then the chance is high that we see even higher prices for Cardano. And as you can see, after we broke this range, we saw this explosion for Cardano. And right now we are seeing this extreme bullish momentum. So congrats to everybody who took a trade here on Cardano. And with this bullish momentum, we don't just broke this supply zone, we directly also broke this last high and this whole supply zone. So Cardano is looking really bullish right now. And if you want to have daily updates on the crypto market or altcoins like Cardano, then join my free Telegram group. You will find the link in the description. So now the question is, can we continue the bullish structure to the upside, or do we now see a retracement after this bullish explosion? So as you can see, we now moved into this supply zone, and this supply zone caused the last extreme bearish move to the downside. So the chance is high that we see a reaction right here. But right now with this bullish momentum, the chance is also high that we go to the upside. And if we continue the bullish structure and if we see a daily or weekly body close over the supply zone, then the chance is extremely high that we see another explosion for Cardano. But as I said, the chance is also high that we see a reaction right here. So we have to wait how we react at this prices. And of course the chance is there that we continue the bullish structure. But right now I think the chance is also high that we see a smaller retracement. And if we are seeing a retracement, I think the chance is high that we see a higher low and can continue the bullish structure. Because if we see an explosion like that, the chance is very high that large institutions or banks came into the market and pushed the price higher. So I think the chance is high, if we are coming back into the supply zone, that we see a reaction right here and support, because many people moved here into the market and they want to defend their positions. But as long as we don't break this supply zone to the downside again, then I think the chance is high that we see even higher prices. But if we're breaking this old supply zone again to the downside, the chance is high that we see even lower prices. And if we are coming into this order block and if we see a bullish reaction on the smaller time frame, then I would search for long entries in this area and try to get in the trade to hodl it to the next highs. Because from this order block we saw this bullish reaction. So the chance is high, if we are coming back, that we then continue the trade and don't make a lower low. But if anything interesting happens for Cardano, I will make a video. So subscribe to this channel to don't miss the next update on Cardano. So all in all, we saw this crazy explosion for Cardano. After we broke this range and this supply zone to the upside, I said the chance is high that we see an explosion. But this explosion was so fast that we directly pushed through this bigger supply zone, which is really bullish. And right now we are in this area and the chance is high that we see a reaction right here. But the bullish structure is so strong, so I think the chance is high that we can see even higher prices. And I think the next very interesting area is this order block. So if we see a retracement and came back into this order block, then I would search for long positions right here. And if we see a bullish reaction on the smaller time frame, I would enter a trade here and hodl it into the next highs, especially if Bitcoin continues his bullish run. So this was it for this video. Thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.